की खूब और का बातें से टीवी sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish or Dharmapi Minwan Ramangi Hakrdob Ying Jongpi.
Ka Ekfa University Meghalaya kalapan long ya ka jingyalang jongki kmi kikpa jongki samla pule haga praterik urisau arjar arpupra ban rakhi kenmau buram ya ka lengko snyap ka bakhat lai snem jong UNJ Yasaswi ubala long unong yo I jingai bat ubala treish ban pensapriang ya ka slem pule jong ka Ekfa ha kelengkari India. Kumban supentip hang ni baya UNJ Yasaswi lakha haka khendai tarik urempang kat khendai spa sanpo. Bat ulaklat no haka pratarik urisau arhajar katway. Kasorkar jongga Andhra Pradesh kalatung ya kumu chairman jongga Andhra Pradesh State Trading Corporation bat ulalong ru vice chairman jongga Public Enterprises Management Board bat kumudkot jongga SEBI Committee on Accounting Standards. Ula syajit ru kumudkot jongga Board of Directors jongga Association of Certified International Investment Analysts Switzerland. Ula seng ya ke Ekfai Group haus nem kat kendai spa prapusan klem gano-gano ke jingirap pisa na ke sorkar bat ula tei bon teli ki university bat ki business school ban gentiu ya ke tan tei lammingi. Hagani ke sengi lapan long ru ya ke orientation na ke benta ki samla ki bedang pule. Ya ka first semester hagani ka shlem pule.
We have chosen this day today, to have this program so that we can remember him with respect and also try and realize his vision and to make it a reality. And that will happen through you students who will learn and learn fruitfully. It is not enough to have a degree and put an end to your academic career. You ought to move ahead with the help of your academic career, which actually should be a stepping stone for you to go ahead. Your education here in our university will give you a whole new perspective, not only to education, but also to life. We have wonderful courses. We have value education. We have other courses which will help you to move forward in life. And we have something which a lot of universities do not have, and that is the case study method.